All right, guys, we got the outer tie rod on. UPS just showed up with our ignition coil. Man, I don't have enough hands for this, but like we take this off, and according to my calculations, it's this one right here. Look, take this off. Well, I guess I do have enough hands. Got you, here, let's bring in old 360 here. Here, 360. Look, we're changing the coil pack. You know what's going on. I've already informed the 360 that's happening. Oh, didn't turn it. There you go. Check this out. Turn this. This is 10 mil. I got the 10 mil on the ready, guys. I don't lose my 10 mils. What I lose is patience. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to open up this box, so bear with me. This is great because I need to test drive this outer tie rod, and now the car will actually run right. Maybe, if we're lucky. I don't have any dielectric grease, so let's hope the old grease does us good. I don't have any way to prop this up. Look, guys, boom, pulled it out, put it in, click it in, like that, got it. And I'll do this. Oh yeah, they say to like disconnect the negative terminal in the battery, but whatever. Put this crap down here, turn this back, tighten that. You don't want this to be too tight, guys. You're just gonna break it, and it's not an outer tie rod, okay? It's just a coil pack. What that coil does, guys, is it ramps up your 12-volt battery all the way up to like probably like 50,000 volts or something, like a taser. And that's necessary to create the shock on the spark plug. There you go. I haven't cleared the engine code yet, but I'll do that. And I'll let you know how she runs. The symptoms of a coil pack are wasting gas, because I have a V6, so when a coil pack's bad, that cylinder's not firing, so now it's a V5, and so you waste gas. It's